Hello friends, this is Manju here. Today I'm gonna make some composting using my kitchen waste. I have seen many YouTube channels and YouTube videos. The process of composting was little bit confusing, but after finding the correct way of doing from one of my friend, I'm gonna start this composting process. For this, we require one pot. I'm taking a pot. You can take anything of your choice, any box like or any plastic container or container with a lid and also a pot. Pot. Okay, let me show this. This pot already has some holes here. This is a flower pot I have been using for my rose plant, but for making compost I didn't find any container, so I'm using this pot. Okay, and I have some dried leaves here and some green leaves and some newspaper and my kitchen waste. My kitchen waste is of mango peels, orange peels and some tea waste. Okay, okay, let's get started. Okay, first in the container we need to fill newspaper. I have just wet my container. I have not filled with water. I just wet the container just to clean and absorb the material. Okay, I'm using the newspaper in the bottom of the container and I'm taking some shredded leaves, dried leaves. For this, the proportion would be like for one part of dried leaves and one part of green leaves. I'm taking two parts of uh, my kitchen waste. Okay, I'm also adding some green leaves here. So I'm now gonna add this kitchen waste. I have just made it into tiny particles so that composing makes faster. The composing process will be faster when compared to the bulky or large amount of huge portions of kitchen waste like cabbage, cauliflower, and all. It will also get composed, but it takes a long time. I just want to check whether it works or not, so I'm taking a small portion of it and I'm going to try this. I'll just fill this container and I will try how it's gonna work. Okay, after adding some greens, some kitchen waste, this is how it looks like. It's already 1/4 filled. You just wanna mix it all. Make sure that you mix it well. I'm doing this with my single hand, so it's a bit tough for me to churn it. Okay, let me tell you first what is compost. Compost is a decomposition process of breaking down in your food wastage into some soil like structure. It breaks down this into soil which contains full of nutrients which is beneficial for our plant growth. Okay, this is what I have learned from net. Composting the kitchen waste. Okay, see here, I have mixed all this very well. I've given a churn. It's look like it's very dry. Okay, it requires some moist, not wet but some moist. So I'm spraying some water, just 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 like that. And I'm mixing it. You can also just pour your kitchen waste and cover it with the layer of dried leaves. Here I don't find anything that will attract the ants and flies. So I'm just mixing it all. If whenever I add something like chicken waste or something like wet waste, I will just add some dried leaves to cover that layer, and I will just keep it on. Okay, now to initiate the composting process, to make it a bit faster, we are going to add some buttermilk to this mixture. So here is my buttermilk. I have added a little portion of buttermilk so that the composition takes fast. The decomposition process will be faster than the usual one. Okay, because I didn't find a perfect lid for this container, I'm just taking a cardboard sheet and I have made some holes on it so that the air passes through it. Because it is an aerobic composition, it has requirement of air. Okay, I'm just closing this. That's it. I'm not going to place any weight on this. I'll just keep this in my balcony so that I can take whenever I want. So if I find some kitchen waste tomorrow, and what going to do is I'll just take the waste and I'll just add on it, and I'll add some dark leaves, brown leaves, and I will cover it. Okay, let's not take for 2 to 3 days, because let it begin and start composing. Let's see how many days it will take for composing this. After getting this pot filled, I'll show you again after filling this pot. Okay, stay with me, be connected, subscribe to my channel for more information about gardening and more. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.